Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am the lunch break day trader. So, markets are volatile, the Fed is cautious, and investors are hunting for safety and growth. So, today I've got my top three dividend picks for Q2 2025. They have solid yield, growth potential, and a strategy to generate passive income. But before we get into all of that, smash that like button, subscribe if you're into building wealth the smart way, and let's go ahead and get into this. So as I look over my stocks this morning, the first one I'm going to call out as far as dividend paying stocks is going to be Johnson & Johnson. This one has a yield of 3.2%. It is a dividend king. It has 60 plus years of consecutive increases. This is also, it has strong free cash flow. So why now? I feel like it's undervalued. Post the Keno spinoff, and it's stable in recession fears. So Johnson & Johnson is going to be one of those great ones to probably get in your portfolio. The next one is going to be Realty Income Corp. So this one also has a high yield of 5.5%. This one is a monthly payer. It's focused on retail, convenience, and essential services, strong occupancy and lease term leases with inflation protections. And typically these REITs thrive as rate cuts loom. It has strong upside, and that's if the Fed pivots. One of the other ones I am looking at is Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. That's BIP. This one has a yield of 5.7%. Global infrastructure, data centers, utilities, transport. If you guys don't know about these data centers, those are big. I mean, the construction on them, these guys put a lot of money into these. So I don't see these going anywhere anytime soon. I think they're just going to continue to grow and get better. Inflation is linked to contracts to protect cash flow. This has growth plus yield, so it's a compounding machine. One of the other things I would like to talk to you guys about too. Now, of course, these are going to be the all-time greats, I would say. So you're looking at things like Apple, Nvidia. These are always safe stocks to buy. I feel like anytime these are paying dividends, which should be most anytime, that's money that you can capture. These are also going to be stocks that you can buy just to have in your portfolio as great long-term holds, because whether the market is doing a good bull market or a bear market, again, these are good stocks to have in your portfolio. Again, I think the market eventually, as always, it will turn around. I know a lot of people are fearful right now, but remain diligent. As always, I say when stocks are in the gutter, that's a good time to buy. So, it's not one of these times to really panic, because as you can see before, we have had our downtimes and downturns in the market. It's always turned around. Typically, the people that bought during the blood being in the streets, I call it, those are the ones who ended up prospering. So that's just a little bit today as far as like nice dividend paying stocks. If you're looking for something safe in your portfolio, those three stocks that I called out, those are key players and winners in my book. So take a look at those. And again, this is the Lunch Break Day Trader coming to you today. You guys, if you hadn't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.